So now let's animate this shape layer, and I go to add, I click on this arrow button, and I have the trim paths here. I click on the trim paths, and we are added the trim paths on my shape layer. So I drag the trim path just like here, because I want to be bottom to work to all these options here. And let's see what the trim paths are doing. The trim paths, I open trim paths, and I have here 3 options where I can add frames. Add the offset. In the first tip, add the offset. I set it minus 120, and I click on the stopwatch to create the keyframe. Now the keyframe is created. Now go to the end, set it to 0 at the end, 0, and add a keyframe. Now you can see the end is 0. I go to 15 frames with my timeline guide. You can zoom it or zoom out from this tool here to see the frames better. So now I type here 100%, click outside, and I have created this keyframe. So now from 0, with this timeline indicator, I start from 0, and my animation is like this. But let's go to 1 second, for example. I set the offset to 0 here, and here I can type 1 completed rotation for offset. Now I go back to the 10 frames, and I add a keyframe from the start. Click, keyframe is created. I go to the 1 second, and I type here 100. And now we have this animation. Spacebar for play. This very simple animation using the trim paths. At the transform shape, I have one option, skew. We can change value here. Hold on, click and drag it, and we can make it better just if you like that. But for me, it's okay with 0 for now. Let's zoom in, zoom out, and I want my time roller at 2 seconds for example. Hold on, click and drag, hold on, click and drag it like this, and I come to 2 seconds, and this time navigator, hold on, click and drag, just like that. Now if I play, we can see the first our animation of this line. So if I want to make it better, I just hold on click and select all these keyframes. I'm pressing right click, keyframe assistant, and easy ease or F9 on the keyboard. So this option making the motion better. Just play now.